This is my cat, Hope. It is a boy, and he really loves these dingle balls, and also a little lion, and loves playing with my mum's shoe, which he will do it after. But he is really special because he is grey over here, and then his paws are white. And he's really crazy with my mum's shoe. And he loves licking water off hands because this. And yeah, right now he's crazy because when he's sleepy, he loves licking you, and you can chase these balls around right now.
So he also likes going everywhere, and he also likes going outside, but we don't usually let him.
Yeah, which is at the balcony because we're on level 4, so if he falls down, he is dead. So we can't let him like fall down. So we try not letting him go outside. Sometimes we do it if he learns his lesson.
How would he? And yeah.